Hi guys, I'm Mehek and for today's video I'll be doing my top 7 nude lipsticks under 700. So let's get started. The video is going to be focused a little bit more on the shades of each of these lipsticks, but I will be covering a little bit about the pricing, the formula, the finish, the packaging about the lipsticks as well. And if you're curious as to what lipstick I am wearing right now, it is one of these 7 lipsticks, so stay tuned. So starting off, for the first lipstick, I have with me the Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink Lipstick, and it comes in a color coordinated tube like so. This is in the shade 160 Mover. I have used this before on my channel. This lipstick is priced at Rs 650 and like it mentions, it is a Superstay Matte Ink Lipstick. So it's a very matte formula if you're not someone who likes that intense drying matte formula which is transfer proof. You probably won't like this, but if you are someone who has a long day and wants a perfect nude lipstick, this color is the way to go. For packaging, like I mentioned, it comes in a color coordinated tube with a white head and it comes with a doe foot applicator, and it has a small circle in the middle so that it grabs onto a lot of product for it to completely fill into your lips. And for the shade, this is how the shade looks like. It's just looking glossy right now because I've just applied it, but I will also be showing you guys lip swatches. So this shade is a very, I'd say, deep mauve color, and it's very pretty if you have bare makeup on the skin and if you just have a little bit of liner mascara. It's a beautiful shade. You'll probably see a pattern in most of my lipsticks over here. They are a little bit on the more mauve brown side of the color spectrum. If you are someone around my skin tone and if you are someone who likes more brown mauve shades in their nude lipsticks, you're probably gonna find one of your new favorite lipsticks in this video. Also, these lipsticks are particularly my favorite nude shades. So if you are around my skin tone, a shade or two lighter or a shade or two darker, you still should be able to work with these lipsticks. But if you are way lighter than my skin tone, then you'll probably end up finding a more deeper mauve or brown shade for your skin tone. And if you are a little too deep than my skin tone, then you'll probably end up finding a more pale nude in the shades of mauve and brown. The next lipstick that I have is the Nykaa Molten Matte Lip and Cheek Tint. This also comes in a color coordinated tube, and this one is in the shade Betty. So this lipstick is priced at Rs 525 and it comes with a very similar wand like the Maybelline one. Same doe foot applicator with a small hole at the center. For formula, the name describes it all. It's like a molten matte formula. So by that I mean it's a very nice smooth textured lipstick. If you are someone who's not so crazy about matte lipsticks, this is going to be a really good choice because it has this very whipped consistency. So it's not very intense on the lips, and also you can use this on the cheek because it's a lip and cheek tint. It's not as long lasting as the Maybelline one, but it can definitely pull off 3 to 4 hours. And this is a good range to look at if you want a lipstick to keep in your bag, because the formula is not very heavy on the lips and you don't have to do a lot of preparations before you apply. So a lot of lip balm scrubbing and all is not so important when it comes to this lipstick. For the shade of the lipstick, this is a hand swatch. It is very glossy at first, but it does dry down to a semi-matte finish, not completely transfer proof. But for the shade, it's a very, I'd say brown, burnt, orange-ish shade, but it still has a little bit of mauve going on. My next lipstick is again from Nykaa, and this time I have the Nykaa Matte Last Liquid Lipstick, and this is particularly one of my most favorite shades currently, at least. This is in the shade Chai, and I don't know if you guys can see, but I'm pretty much running out and don't have much left of this shade. So this one retails for 599 rupees, and again it's pretty similar to our previous ones. It is a doe foot applicator with a small hole at the center, and this one particularly is very small, so it's pretty tiny, very easy to carry around and not a fuss. The formula on this lipstick is definitely more runny, but the wand makes it very helpful to apply the liquid lipstick. The lasting power is somewhere around, I'd say, 4 to 5 hours, nothing more than that. But the shade is definitely one of my favorites. Coming to the swatch of the lipstick, this is how it looks. So it is definitely a true brown shade, and it's more on the warmer side. It's not a cool brown, so pretty easy to pull off as well. But I have to say, this is one of my favorite shades to wear when I'm wearing Indian. Next we have another Nykaa lipstick. For me personally, Nykaa lipsticks have never let me down. All three that I'm showing you today have been my go-to for quite some while. None of these lipsticks that I'm showing you here are lipsticks that I have not tried or tested. They've definitely been my favorites for quite some while now. For the next lipstick, I have the Nykaa So Matte lipstick, and this is in the shade 23M Hot Cocoa, and this is a bullet lipstick. It comes in this magnetic packaging, so I guess you can hear that. So it shuts on its own, and I am completely out of the shade, just a little bit to go. This lipstick is perfect if you are someone who's not into liquid lipsticks, or even just the whole tube packaging. If that's not your cup of tea, this is the way to go. The name is So Matte, but believe me, it's not matte. It's a creamy finish. It doesn't dry your lips out, and the shade is beautiful. These Nykaa lipsticks are priced at rupees 399. Coming to the shade of the lipstick, this is how the lipstick looks swatched at the back of my hand, and it definitely has that gloss, a little bit of sheen, so very comfortable on the lips. But coming to the shade, it is definitely a more cool nude shade, so it's a more cool brown. Next I have a Lakme lipstick. This is again a bullet lipstick. This is the Lakme 9 to 5 Primer Plus Matte Lipstick. These are priced at rupees 500, and I have the shade Rosy Sunday. Except the rose gold packaging, there's nothing different. It's just a pure bullet lipstick. It comes with this golden inside, and that's how the shade looks in the tube. Coming to the formula, this lipstick has a more matte formula. It definitely has that powdery matte effect on the lips. It also lasts a decent amount of time. This is how the lipstick looks swatched on my hand. It definitely is more so on the pink side, but it also has a hint of mauve. Coming to another Lakme lipstick, I have with me the Lakme 9 to 5 Weightless Matte Mousse. This is again a lip and cheek tint. This is in the shade Coffee Light, and this retails for 625 rupees. This has that same doe foot applicator with a small hole at the center. At one point of time, this was the only nude lipstick that I was wearing, which is why I guess I have two tubes of the same lipstick. For the formula of the lipstick definitely has this whipped formula. It's very light on the lips. It gives a matte effect, but it's not at all drying. It's very comfortable on the lips, and it also lasts for about 3 to 4 hours very easily. Coming to the shade of the lipstick, this lipstick is a very cool toned brown mauve color. That's just one of my favorite tones to wear. Coming to the last and final lipstick for the video, this is the Wet n Wild Catsuit Liquid Lipstick, and I hope you guys can see, but I'm pretty much out of this lipstick. Yeah, you can see it. I'm pretty much done. It has to be one of my favorite lipsticks of all time. This is in the shade Give Me Mocha, and it retails for 499 rupees. This is how the wand looks like. It's very different from all the wands that we've seen today. So it has this doe foot applicator, and it has a slight U cut over here, if you guys can see that, which makes it easier for the wand to hug the lips and apply the lipstick easily. The formula of this lipstick is definitely a comfortable matte formula. It's not extremely drying on the lips, so if you are someone who doesn't mind just a little bit of dryness on the lips for a beautiful shade, then go for this. Coming to the swatch of the lipstick, this is how it looks. It is the perfect mixture of brown, pink and mauve. The swatch might look a little patchy, but that's because I don't have anything left in my tube even for a hand swatch. And this can be a universally flattering shade, so if you are somewhere where Wet n Wild is available, please go and just look at the shade. It's so pretty. I'm sure you're gonna love it. And this is the lipstick that I'm wearing today. So those were my top 7 nude lipsticks under 700 rupees. I hope you guys could pick one and add that to your cart. I'd just like to mention that if you guys are not planning to buy these shades particularly, just go and check these shades out at a counter and just swatch them, and you'll see why I love these shades. But that's it for today's video. I hope you guys could find a nude lipstick for your liking. Until next time, I'll see you later. Bye!